Welcome, herbalist. Let me introduce to you our friend, great co-worker, often mistreated and hated, the hero of our immune system, mucus. One of the first symptoms of the cold, the flu, or allergies is mucus, and we naturally will want to stop it. We need mucus. It is part of our immune system. All parts of our bodies are lined with mucus membranes, which produce mucus. Mucus contains our antibodies. Mucus is that slimy, slippery stuff that contains antibodies to every organism that has ever attacked our bodies. Mucus' mission in our life is to stop invading pathogens and irritants from reaching our mucus membranes. Although unpleasant, stopping the mucus may lengthen the duration of your illness, and worse, may lead to infections in the sinus or lungs. But this does not mean we need to suffer needlessly. Today's class, we will learn to work with mucus and our immune system to treat these symptoms. Runny nose and how to control the drip. Nasal congestion and dry nose. Coughs with or without mucus. Stuck mucus. Herbs to deal with seasonal allergies. Watch for the next video and we will deal with the runny nose.